Hello guys, in this video I will show you how hard is to replace the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 or Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 battery. So after you make a teardown of all of this speaker, you only have to unplug this connector. Come here, you only have to unplug this connector. The battery is is 1 lithium-ion and the capacity voltage 4.2, nominal voltage 3.6 volts, and has 3250 milliamps here. So to replace the battery is not that hard. You just need to take out the cover and the whole speaker and just unscrew 4 screws and 1 connector. It is very simple to do it, and in my opinion you can only you can even increase the power and connect two batteries instead of 1. So what do you think? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!